Here I have Nokia T20, and today I'm going to show you how to switch mirror effect in the camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap on the three stripes to access its settings, and here you can find mirror photos for front camera, and here you can switch this feature. So as you can see right now, when I have this turned off, when I take photo, let's take one like this, and the second one let's take with this feature enabled, and as you can see, these photos are mirrored. Here is written Sony, and here it's written ENOS. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.